Illustrative problems on moments of inertia. Problem 21.11. Find graphically the moment of inertia of the rectangular section 10 cm wide into 20 cm deep as shown in the figure about the axis y passing through its center of gravity. Draw the given rectangle to a suitable scale. Say 1 cm equals 2 cm and draw the axis y dash passing through its center of gravity. Divide the rectangle into a number of equal strips, say 8, parallel to the axis. Draw lines of action of forces representing the area of each strip parallel to the axis and passing through respective centers of gravity of the strips. This is the space diagram. Calculate the area of each strip. Select a convenient scale, say 1 cm equals 20 square centimeters and draw a load line AK as explained in the previous problem. Lengths AB, BC, etc. will each be equal to 1.25 centimeters each. Mark the pole O at any convenient polar distance D1, say 5 centimeters from the line AK and complete the polar diagram P1 by joining O with the points A, B, so on up to K. Draw the funicular polygon F1 as explained in the previous problem. Produce all the sides of the polygon to intersect the axis at points A1, B1, so on up to K1. Note that in this problem, points A1, B1, C1 and D1 coincide with points K1, H1, G1 and F1 respectively. Measure the intercepts A1, B1, B1, C1, etc. Assuming these intercepts to be forces and select a convenient scale, say 1 cm equals 0.333 centimeters, draw the second load line. While drawing this line, it should be noted that the intercepts for the strips on one side of the axis should be drawn in one direction, while those for the strips on the other side of the axis should be drawn in the opposite direction. Thus, the intercepts from A-1 to E-1 coincide with those from K-1 to E-1. Note that according to the selected scale, length A-1 E-1 is 3 times the length A1 E1. Select a pole O1 at a suitable distance D2, say 6 centimeters, and complete the polar diagram P2. Draw the corresponding funicular polygon F2. The intercept A2K2 of this polygon on the axis y dash is the moment of inertia of the rectangle about the axis y dash to the moment scale, which is determined as shown. If the scale of the space diagram is 1 cm equals n centimeters, and if the area scale for the first load line is 1 cm equals n1 meter square, and if the intercepts from the funicular polygon F1 are represented on the second load line to the scale 1 cm equals n2 centimeters, and if the polar distances in polar diagrams P1 and P2 are d1 centimeters and d2 centimeters respectively, then the moment scale equals n square into n1 into n2 into d1 into d2, which equals 2 square into 20 into 0.333 into 5 into 6, which is equal to 800 centimeters raised to 4. The length of the intercept A2K2 is 8.4 centimeter. The moment of inertia equals length of the intercept A2K2 in centimeters into the moment scale, which equals 8.4 into 800, which equals 6720 centimeters raised to 4.